Hi, my name is Zack Boothe and welcome to my channel, Real Estate Investing with Zack Boothe. I help aspiring and successful real estate investors understand the strategies and action steps required to make an absolute fortune in all things real estate investing via this YouTube channel, my podcast, and as a coach. I have a real estate wholesaling company and a real estate holding company that provides me and my family financial freedom and time freedom to travel and to spend time playing in the mountains. I didn't always have the freedoms that I have now. I was a struggling window washer for over 10 years. You can even find my window cleaning tutorial videos with millions of views. I was able to create financial freedom and time freedom in a handful of years because of real estate wholesaling and real estate investing. I now spend much of my time helping others have the same freedoms. One of the biggest challenges that aspiring investors have to create financial freedom is knowing what action steps that they need to take to quickly find success, especially with a lack of money, credit, and connections and experience that they have. Many get stuck with feelings of fear and never really move in the right direction. That is not cool because it keeps amazing people like yourself from reaching your full potential. Well, guess what? What I have discovered is that making a lot of money in real estate wholesaling or flipping houses or buying and hold investing is extremely difficult unless you have the right formula. On this channel, you will learn how to do real estate wholesaling, house flipping, and overall real estate investing. You are going to know how to make a lot of money in real estate even if you have very little money or experience and regardless of the economy. Every week I will be uploading multiple videos, so make sure you subscribe if you're wanting to create financial and time freedom through real estate investing.